What you staring at? You like me?
You are my best friend. You are my sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charge. I mean, I'm gonna sell you out in your body. Go best friend, yeah, that's my best friend.
Good day, my people. Good day. Okay, so as you can see, Cherry's right there. She's sitting on bed, and here I have my camera. We're basically doing a random school assignment. And why is it random? Okay, so our teacher or professor is our film professor. Yeah, basically he teaches to use camera angles, stuff like that, and he helped us to do short films and stuff like that. Drama teacher. Anyway, so our film professor, he came into school, right? And he just came with this random TikTok sound or random Instagram reel sound. And
pick up a camera, shoot something, no matter how small, no matter how cheesy, no matter.
He came up with that director's Instagram reel sound, and he told us that he was on Instagram, and he's seen that this song keep playing, and people are directing their life and stuff like that, or directing, basically showing the clips with the sound. And he was like, "That's your assignment, random like that. That's your assignment, guys. You guys are going to use this sound and direct a short film. It can be anything, just like the sound. It can be anything random. Just go out there and shoot something and bring it back to class, right?" So basically, that's why Cherry's here, because that's what we're right now doing. So that's what we're doing right now. I am basically the director, and she's my actor, and we're basically going to do a random school assignment with the sound. So that's what we're doing right now. Right.
After doing an essay about how your imagination bring creativity to life, it's about this book that I'm going to be reviewing. So, there was once a poor boy in an Indian camp who would watch by the creek as other boys water their pony. More than anything, he longs for a pony of his own. So at last, the boy crossed the creek, dug the wet earth, and shaped a pony out of mud. He gave it a white clay face. He loved his mud pony. Every day he went to it and took care of it as if it was real. One day, while the boy was with his mud pony, scouts rode into camp. "We sight buffalo several days' journey west," they said. The people broke camp, for they would starve in 3 months ahead if they did not hunt the buffalo. The boy's parents looked everywhere, but they could not find him. Finally, they had to leave without him. When the boy got back to camp, he saw that everyone was gone. "My people," he cried out, "I will never find you. I am all alone." He wandered, heartsick and hungry, around the empty camp, picked up scraps of dry meat and a tattered old basket someone had thrown away. He ate and huddled up in a blanket and cried himself to sleep. As he slept, he dreamt his mud pony was alive and spoke to him. "My son, you are not alone. Mother Earth has given me to you. I am a part of her." When the boy wake up at daybreak in the empty camp, he cried for his people. Then he went to his mud pony and could hardly believe his eyes. The white-faced pony was alive, twisting her mane and pounding the ground. She spoke like the pony in his dream. My son, you are not alone. Mother Earth has given me to you. I am part of her. You must do as I say. And someday you will be a chief amongst your people. They are far away. Get on my back, and I will take you to them. But do not try to guide me, for I know where to go. For 3 days they journeyed over the plains. The boy was worn and hungry, but he could not give up. He let the pony guide him.
Pick up a camera, shoot something, no matter how small, no matter how cheesy, no matter whether your friends and your sister star in it, put your name on it as director. Now you're a director.
I fell asleep without completing my assignment. What am I going to do?
Why you staring at? You like me?